Hey Oryx people, it's a birdie video. Hey bird people. I got these little guys out here. This one looks like he's standing guard because Smokey's over here watching him. Oh, nope, I don't know what made him move. Smokey's over here getting a drink, so I figured they would be nervous. But they were sitting there when I walked out there, and I was kind of surprised. But now they kind of flew away. I guess that was a short video. I can watch Smokey getting a drink. Smokey's been getting a drink lately. Well, crap. I was going to see if I knew what kind of bird. I don't know if I got close enough to where you could tell what kind of bird that was. It didn't look like a cardinal, but he had kind of different colors on the front. Darn it. Now we just got to watch Smokey drinking his water. I was hoping maybe they'd come back. I don't know if the wind picked up or what caused them. Like I said, I walked by them like 3 times, not next to them, but walked in and out of the garage, and usually they fly. And they didn't, and I was like, well, why is that other one looking out for the little one? I was going to do a video on it, and then this stinking flew away. Crap. Well, hell. It doesn't look like they're coming back down either. Oh, maybe I see him in a... I might have him. Let's see if I can get him zoomed in there. Okay, so he's not there. There's the top. Where is he? Just jumped down, I think, in this area. Hang on, I think I'm going to get him. There he is. I think that's him. So he's not a cardinal. Darn it. Where'd he go? Little sucker jumped down on me. Oh, I see him again. Hang on. By the time I figure out how to get to where he's at, he moves. That might have been his little girlfriend. I'm not sure if that's him. Let me open this one door and get a little clearer view, because we're going through 3 windows here versus 2. Smokey's like, dude, what are you doing? You're scaring away my birds. Hang on, Smokey, I'm trying to get a close-up of this little sucker. I lost him again. Where'd he go? Darn. Oh, Smokey's coming in. His little bite mark's going down, so that's good. Look at him walking around like he's a king. I can walk around, birds are scared of me. They won't come by me. Hi, Mokey Moke! Hi, Mokey Moke! Say hi to YouTubies! Trying to get your little bird friend out there, but he flew away. Well, crap. Sorry. Not much of a video except Smokey looking at you. Mokey Moke! Say goodbye to YouTubies! Say goodbye to YouTubies! I know somebody's going to say clean my windows. We got a rain in, and it kind of like got all over the window. Well, Smokey's doing his little Lion King impersonation now, sitting out on the Serengeti desert. Oh, look at that dirty window. Oh, I got all kind of heat on that one. Well, shit. That little bird flew away, and I hadn't seen him before, so I don't know what kind he was. Maybe he'll come back. All right, well, in that there.